Hey, my dear students, I hope that you are excellent today. So today I'm going to show you how to use Visily in groups. Okay, so if you want to start to share your project with your classmates, you have to click in share, and here you have to type the email of your classmates, right? So, and the idea is that in this option you can invite to your teammates to edit the project. It is so important that one person will create the project, and this person has to share the project to the other members, right? Once that you finish to type the emails, you have to send invitation, and the person who is receiving the invitation has to go to the email. Yes, as you can see, and you will find an invitation to edit the project. You have to click in accept invitation. Yes, and of course you have to log in with your Visily account that we've created before. Okay, so for that reason, everyone have to have this account to work here in Visily. Basically, you have to log in, or if you don't have an account before, you have to sign in to do it. So basically, you can follow the steps here. And once that you finish, you can see that we are starting working. Okay, you are invited to a team. You have to answer some questions, but once that these questions are solved, you can continue. Right, as you can see, we can find all the items, and all people that are invited to this project can edit and can modify. Yes, it's so perfect if you are different teammates in the group. So you can distribute the functions basically, and all people can work in the same page. Right, so basically here, as you can see, I divided the screen to demonstrate that you can work at the same time. Different type of people can work at the same time. Yes, as you can see here, we have in the left side one member, and in the other side you have another. So for that reason, as you can see, all the members can work at the same time. Look at, and the idea is that you can do this with your project. Okay, so don't forget to distribute the screens, and with that you can work so fine. Okay, so if you have questions, just let me know. Thank you so much, and see you in next classes. Bye bye.